As you can see, the lights are extremely bright in the nighttime. Definitely no reason for someone to say that they couldn't see us. This is the Ford Explorer with the flashers and 5 rotators on. I'll just kind of walk around the vehicle here. Let me walk around my sister's. I'm going to walk around here so you can kind of get an idea how the visibility is. Just to give you an idea about how good the visibility is. And then this is the Chevy S10 I showed you earlier. Definitely not as good as that 5 rotator light bar, but it does get the job done. It's definitely pretty neat if you have both vehicles chasing at the same time. It really lights up the night if you have both of those going at the same time. And I'm just going to shoot down the road and show you how much of a distance it has. As you can see, very high distance, high visibility. So now let me switch over to the takedowns and alleys to give you what that is like. Go back to the front here. These are those are the takedowns, and then the alleys are on both sides. I'll walk around again. As you see, it has again, a lot of distance on it. Ooh, goodness, that's blurry. Come on, focus. There might be dirt on the thing. I don't know. It's extremely bright, as you could probably tell right there. Just about done here. So there's the Explorer. That was all Ford Explorer. And here you have it. I'll go ahead and shut that off real quick. And then I will show you what the other light bar looks like. Okay. Now let me walk at that. Sorry about that. Let me switch over real quick. Alright, and now here's the nighttime view of Flash Pattern 2 on the Chevy S10. Again, it's really not too special, but it definitely gets the job done. I would rather have the Explorer light bar with the takedowns, but it still is very bright. We walk around to the back here. And come on, focus. Sorry about that. Does not want to focus. And that's the rear. And continuing over. there's the side. There you have it. This is a nighttime video to the Ford Explorer light bar with takedowns and alleys, and the Chevy S10 light bar. Hope you enjoyed it.